Hey, my name is Kitse and today I decided to record a video about hypocrisy, irony, or whatever the hell you call it when you tweet about something and then you do the exact same thing. I don't have anything interesting to unbox today and I did... What? Holy... What? A mother of chunky. This is very heavy. I'm wondering what could this be. It's like very, very heavy. Let's unbox. Alrighty, so I think I learned this lesson in the previous video. So no. You're staying here in the drawer forever, and I'm gonna be using the trusty the trusty old IKEA knife. I'm gonna try to show you the entire unboxing because smooth. Love the IKEA knife. I didn't know. What does it say? 825 gigabytes. Like, anyway, I don't know. That was weird. I can't believe it's here. It's here. And believe. Oh my god. Okay, now that this is out of the way, sorry for all the noise near the microphone. You know that I don't give a flying bird. It's a big and chunky boy. Look at it. It's freaking huge. Before we actually go and unbox, let me just tell you a quick story. When I was a kid, we went on vacation with my parents and no, I'm up around. There's not gonna be a sob story around this. We're just gonna unbox this, plug this as soon as possible because I can't wait to wrap this video up and play my game until tomorrow because I have to work probably, but yeah, until tomorrow I'm doing this. Look at it, it's huge. Okay, so it's this way around. Play like never before. Exclusives. Oh, but it has messages in other languages too. Xbox nie... Oh, it says that Xbox sucks, but in Polish, so it's the same thing. Oh, it's very hard to pull out. Come on. I'm doing this intentionally. And I hurt my shoulder. That's it. I haven't been to the gym since January. Okay, now we need all the hype. We need change the light, yeah. Then the angels, then the drum roll, then metal music. Let's go. Oh no, it's the other way around. God damn it. Okay, you can do it again. Oh, I love the smell of new technology. I'm an addict. But it's the other way around. If I flip this box one more goddamn time. Ah, these are the accessories. So first, we're gonna read all of these booklets, instructions, whatever they are. What does it say here? It's a mystery why people buy any other consoles or argue about PC gaming versus... Yeah, I agree, because there's nothing better than a PlayStation, so I don't know why you're even talking about it. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna read this. We don't need to read that. We already know. So what is this? Is this a charging brick? Oh, I think it's a stand. Because you need a stand if you want to make it sit like, you know, vertically. Okay, there's a big, nice, it's HDMI. Okay, it's not very long, but it will do. Why do they twist them into little twisties? Just so it doesn't untwist in the box? Like you're gonna untwist it anyway for... God damn it, Sony. Okay, this is the power cable, and we have the controller. I already unboxed the one. If you haven't seen the video, click here. I'll be too lazy to put the link here. Just imagine there's a link here, and later you can watch that video. You probably won't, but it's fine. It's the same controller, blah, blah, blah. We can turn it on this time. It's great, and we're done with this box. Moving on. I can feel it. Okay. Okay, it's time. It's time. It is time. But it's very heavy. I cannot do this. Jesus Christ! So much heavier than the previous. It's wrapped in a bunch of nylon wraps, but we'll get there. Oh my dear Lord in heaven, this is, first of all, unreal. Second of all, it's unreally big. Just look at it. There's never been a bigger PlayStation console before, and that's great. Look, I'm gonna put it next to me so you can see that it's a really chunky boy. Look at it. I can't believe that this is here. Holy shit. Would it be too weird if... I love you. Shut up! Don't judge. Also, if my girlfriend's watching this, I love you too, not just... But, you know. That's it. That's the box. That's the unboxing. I'm gonna go play now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna play a little bit together. I'm gonna set it up, go through the setup with you, because me and you together are gonna... I don't fucking know what we're doing here. Why I'm even recording these videos. I just wanna play my goddamn game. You're beautiful. Look at it. Shh, no dust for you. Beautiful. This is a very short power cable. But first, I'm gonna connect the HDMI, because I want to see what's gonna happen. So we're gonna use this monitor for that. Goodbye, nice purple background, or whatever Elton John said in that song. I think it's good. Yeah, he said that. Goodbye, nice purple background by Elton John. Listen to it, it's nice. Gonna plug it in. I can't believe that it's here. I can't believe that it's here. Oh my god, you and me this winter? You don't need anyone else except my girlfriend if you're watching this, and my dog if you're watching, but you don't understand, so you know. You're gonna be around when I'm playing anyway. Oh my god. Oh, it smells of plastic, but plastic technology smells nice. I'm an addict, I'm telling you. Let's plug the cable. Okay, we'll plug the cable, relax. An external input has been connected. Do you want to use this? Yes, except it's not plugged in yet, so we need to plug it first. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the same sound! Holy shit! It's happening. I plugged it in the monitor that doesn't have sound. This monitor. I need a USB-C cable. That's nice because I organized my cables yesterday and I have one. Plug and go. Magic. Give me. Oh. It asks me to choose a language. That's beautiful. Of course I'm gonna choose English, United States. I'll continue with the screen reader turn on. No, turn off. Okay. It vibrated a little bit. To be completely honest. I mean, of course. But this PC, this bad boy that I've made a video about, I'm not gonna put it here, I'm lazy. It's, no matter what it's doing, is absolutely completely silenced. I've never heard a sound coming out of the PC. And Chunky Boy here, let's hope that sound is gonna go away, because it's a little bit... I'm just waiting for someone to come out with a Harley Davidson or something. Okay. So honestly, like if I'm 100% honest, I don't want to do anything else here. I just want to wrap up with this video, just get nice and cozy and play on the couch on the TV. But I'm doing this for you. Let's just quickly try Miles Morales and that's it. Play. Let's see how fast it's gonna launch and all of that. Is it really that fast? And we wait. I like how in the previous one, the USB ports, the disk space, the buttons and everything was integrated into the design. Now you have the design, which is the design, and in it you have like a big hole, and you have these buttons and you have these ports, which makes it look ugly. The previous one, they were nicely hidden. So I think, you know, that's why this is not that good of a design. You cannot hear the sounds, but it goes something like this, you know, it makes... Marvel, baby, let's go! Would you like to watch a recap of the events leading up to this moment? Oh my god! Yes. Do you want to enable subtitles? Yes. New game, baby! Let's go. This setting is for players who like a balanced experience with some challenge. Yes, absolutely. I want that. HDR on. Listening mode, headphones. Graphics mode. Okay. Now we're getting into the graphics modes. And there are two, fidelity and performance. So with performance you get like 60 frames per second, but with fidelity you get 30 frames per second, but you get like ray tracing and hand sliding and additional bullshit, whatever. Wow, the game looks amazing. At least this cutscene looks crazy. I'm gonna go with performance. Restart. Changing the setting requires a restart to apply. Let's go. Whoop. Oh my god, it started vibrating. The vibrations are fucking amazing. I can't wait to feel the haptic things. Okay, we're already out and about. We're gonna play. Oh shit. Give me some swinging, baby. Ooh, we have a lady. Miles, you. Oh, the outfit. He's in a casual hoodie, jacket, thingy outfit. That's amazing. Because he's the Amazing Spider-Man, get it? Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Here we go, baby. Wow. I mean, I already know how to swing. It's... Wow. Look at the sun. Holy guacamole. Holy crap, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Oh, holy fudge. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I really want to play this properly without interrupting and having 70 bright lights. So this is gonna be the unboxing video, and I always say this, that I'm gonna make a follow-up video and maybe I'm gonna show you my gaming setup. Probably not gonna happen, but let's just hope that it's going to happen. First impressions are like, I don't give a crap about how this looks like and so on and so forth. I don't give a crap about many things around this. Well, it turns out that I don't give a crap for this console. Let's try to wrap this up. First impressions. I'm gonna be in love with this for as long as it exists. If it's 7 years, 5 years, 3 years, because this is just the start and developers are just gonna start developing games specifically for this machine, and it's gonna be mind-blowing, and playing on a console is an enjoyable experience, and we should stop the console versus PC wars. We should keep the PlayStation versus Xbox wars, because Xbox sucks and it's pointless. Just doing this on video actually doesn't show how excited I am, because I think when I finish this video I'm going to scream a little bit because I'm so excited for this console, and I just cannot tell you how it's like to, for the first time ever, to own a console on the launch day of the console. And when I was a little boy, no, I'm not. Okay, so I guess it's time. Go to the living room, unplug the PS4, break the Xbox to pieces, because the only reason I was using it for playing Blu-rays in 4K, now this one can do that, and just start playing Spider-Man until I get completely exhausted, my eyes hurt. I remember that the body needs water and fluids and food. I'm really excited to go and play, so thank you very much for joining me for the unboxing. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, or actually don't do that and do whatever the Flappy Bird you want, and I will see you in the next one.